Mandela family to Sweetie Love's Kitchen. No better way to bring her family together on Parent Involvement Day than in the kitchen with me, Sweetie Loves. On the menu today, we're going to do something quick, easy, and healthy. We're going to make chicken noodle soup. There you have it, our chicken noodle soup. It was a pleasure partnering up with the Mandela family making this delicious soup. Special thanks to Mrs. O'Connor and the Mandela family. Happy Parents Involvement Day.